coax or coaxial cable. There is another common way or common mode of transmission medium is coaxial cable. Call it as coax. This provides a very good shielding and bandwidth if you compare it with the unshielded twisted pair. UTP against or in contrast with UTP, better shielding and bandwidth. You see this is the actual coaxial cable. So there are two kinds of coaxial cable, and the kinds are mostly the distinction is historical. 50 ohm cable intended for digital transmission, and then 75 ohm cable. This is for analog transmission and also the cable television. 50 ohm cable digital, 70 ohm cable analog transmission and cable transmission. Now this center, you see this coaxial cable has a very stiff, strong copper wire as the core, this one. And this is surrounded by this one as the insulating material. And this insulator is again encased by a cylindrical conductor and as a closely woven braided mesh network kind of covering. So this is braided mesh I'm talking about. So the cloth, good quality cloth and the metal, both of these. And the above is protective plastic covering. The final one, the black you see here. The outer conductor is covered in a protective plastic sheet. The bandwidth of coaxial cable is very good, up to 6 gigahertz. Many conversation can be simultaneously sent. For example, television program, one television program occupies around 3.5 megahertz. You can assume 6 gigahertz is too high. The fiber optics is now taking over the coaxial cable in the telephone systems for long distance line. It is taking over the telephone lines for long haul distance lines. And this coax is widely used in cable television, metropolitan area networks and high speed interconnectivity, especially to homes.